Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game version and installing any required mods or patches. This ensures compatibility. Gather the base arrow, the corrupting reagent, and the required currency or materials so you won't pause mid-process. Back up your save file or create a restore point. Mistakes can corrupt progress. Once done, open the crafting or modification interface and select the base arrow. You'll see options for corruption. Choose the slot reserved for reagents, and prepare to apply the first corrupting ingredient. You now execute the core corruption sequence. Insert the base arrow into the modification slot and lock all other inventory slots to prevent accidental swaps. Apply the reagent in the prescribed order. Many systems require a specific sequence because odds change with each step. Watch the success percentage and any listed side effects, such as durability loss or stat shifts, and pause if the chance drops too low. If prompted, use boosters or currency to increase success. Otherwise, confirm and let the game process the corruption. You finish by confirming finalization and immediately inspecting the corrupted arrow's stats and visuals to ensure the intended modifiers applied. If the corruption failed or produced undesirable effects, restore your backup save or use in-game retrieval or insurance systems where available. This avoids permanent loss. Make note of the exact reagent sequence and any modifiers that influenced outcomes. This learning reduces wasted attempts. Finally, test the arrow in a controlled encounter to verify behavior and adjust your reagent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.